In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email subscription to your WordPress site using Mailchimp. This process is straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to wordpress.com. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. If you have multiple login options, you'll notice an option to continue with Google, which is usually the quickest way if you already have your Google account linked. Once you select Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use. Simply pick your preferred account and you'll be automatically logged into WordPress. Now that you are logged in, take a look at the right panel where you'll find Quick Links. On this panel, you'll see an icon or a button labeled Edit Site. Click on it and this will take you to your site's editing interface where you can make changes to your website's layout, content and more. Once you are on the editing page, look for a small plus icon. This is an essential tool in WordPress as it allows you to add new elements or blocks to your page. Click this icon to open up the block library. In the search bar that appears, type in the word Mailchimp. This search will yield options related to Mailchimp, which is our go-to tool today for setting up an email subscription. Once you see Mailchimp in your search results, click on it to add this block to your page. Using Mailchimp within WordPress is incredibly convenient for building and maintaining your subscriber list. Not only does it streamline the process of collecting email addresses, but it also provides useful analytics to help you understand your audience better. Having embedded this block, you are now able to customize the settings according to your preferences. Whether you're opting for a simple email collection form or something more detailed, Mailchimp offers the flexibility to suit your unique needs. In just a few steps, you've successfully set up an email subscription option on your WordPress site using Mailchimp. This powerful integration means you can now engage with your audience more effectively, keeping them updated with your latest posts, newsletters, or announcements. Always remember, building a subscriber list is a fantastic way to foster a community around your content and encourage repeat visitors to your site. Feel free to explore more features within both WordPress and Mailchimp, as these platforms offer a range of tools that can be incredibly beneficial in growing your online presence. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy blogging!